By the way, if you watched one of my recent videos where I went to Target and picked these up, these are phenomenal. I love getting to clean my berries and then just keep them in here and we can just grab and go. She's honestly doing so good in this. And then we also need to build this one over here. We haven't gotten to it yet, but it's, you know, it'll get there. Chicken coop got its roost bars yesterday. I think that he has to put a couple more on, but yeah, it looks so good. He is a rooster, which is so crazy because that's not what we planned for.